All right, guys, ChatGPT is an amazing tool to help you find value in products and price products and figure out where you can get the most value for your stuff. So this kind of relates more so to vintage sellers that are selling on the Etsy marketplace. But this is just another example of some of the many things that you can do to leverage AI to help you with sales and selling. So today I have three really cool prompts that I'm going to share with you that you can use to help you with reselling. And we're going to test these out together. I think this is going to be really, really fun to be able to do this and use ChatGPT in this way. So the first one is a worth check. So we're going to copy this into AI. So before I go any further, if you guys want more automations, more prompts, anything that you can think of to help you grow your Etsy business, jump over to the Etsy Games community. There's a link below. I have an entire section on AI automations for Etsy sellers. I'm always adding new stuff in here, showing you how to automate print on demand, social media, Pinterest posting, finding bestsellers, finding niche products, anything you can think of. There's also an Etsy Success roadmap showing you how to start your business the right way. Sustainable business geared for growth. Lots of other stuff in here. Positive, motivational, safe community. It's just a couple bucks a month. You don't got to mortgage your house. You don't got to sell your kids. You don't got to sell their toys. You can jump in here and join us. It's a lot. There's a lot of really cool stuff in here, and I'm adding stuff in here every single day. All right, so the worth check. So this one's really cool. You can point your camera at anything and find out what it actually sells for. So basically, you can upload it with this prompt. What is this and how and what's selling for right now? Search complete listings, not asking prices, and give me the worth and tell me if it's worth more than I'd expect and why. So I already took a picture of, I'm just going to do this with a laser that I didn't actually know there's worth to it, but let me copy this prompt. All right, so we're going to go over to AI, to ChatGPT, and then we are going to just attach the image. This is, again, just a picture of my X-Tool laser. I know there's value in it, but you can do anything you want. So I just want to see how well this works. All right, here we go. It identified what it is. Actual sold market evidence. So it talks about refurbished ones, lightly used, bundle ones, realistic value today. And then just gives this whole report. So this is pretty cool. And then it includes all the sources down here that it found this information at. You know, eBay, of course, is a primary one. I don't think anyone would sell. You can't sell this on Etsy because it's obviously not vintage. So this just gives you an idea of what you can do. I mean, so pretty awesome stuff. So right off the bat, we're doing really good. So this next one's pretty cool. This is a room sweep, the fastest way to see what your items are worth. Upload a photo of a room, drawer, or a cupboard. List everything in this photo that has real resale value. Rank what's worth most and tell me which are quick sales and which will sit for months. So this is really cool. I would imagine, you know, especially if you're like a vintage seller and you're out there, you know, at yard sales or whatever the case may be, you could take pictures of the entire table of stuff. Tell it to identify vintage items that are over 20 years old, and then list any items of value that you should pick up. So I think this one is super, super cool. So I have a picture I just took of my back wall back here. I have some collectibles and some different things back here. I just want to see what it does with it, because obviously I'm not out at a yard sale right now, but I think this is going to be a really fun one. All right, so let me paste the picture of my wall here, and then we're going to paste the prompt in here. All right, here we go. So it ranked by resale value, and it did a really freaking good job identifying all this stuff that's kind of hard to see. So the first item is my signed Hulk fist. So I have a Hulk fist in the background that was signed by Lou Ferrigno, you know, one of my childhood heroes. So yeah, that was first. And then graded 4 slabbed graded comics. So that kind of was off base. Those are not graded comics. Those are graded VHS tapes. Still, they are valuable. I would say they got the value right on that. Custom wood slap wall installation. Obviously, I'm not selling that. Framed print posters on either side, which they can't really see what the print posters are. Small collectible figurehead bobblehead. Business development books. Small creator milestone plaques. So yeah, it did a pretty good job identifying the value. Obviously, this picture, I wanted to do this on purpose because this picture's not, it's kind of far away. If you did something that's a lot more close up where it could read everything, it's going to do a much better job. But it still did a really good job of breaking down this, the kind of price ranges and everything that it found in that picture. So pretty cool so far. I think that one's a super fun one. Now the last one I have is a platform picker. So I'm selling an item worth blank, roughly this amount. Where should I list it? Compare the fees, how fast each one typically sells, and whether they net more in fees, slower platform. So this you can list the item, or again, you could just do the picture of the item. So I'm just going to include a picture. I'm going to do the X tool again and kind of see what it says. I'm sure it's going to probably tell me eBay, but let's see. All right, we're going to paste this in. I'm going to put use the attached picture for this prompt. So I'm just going to tell it to use the attached picture and it's going to do its analysis again on this one. Okay, so since I add use the attached picture for this prompt, it basically just added in the information and it edited the prompt for me. So, which is pretty cool. So I'm just going to literally copy and paste the prompt again with the enhancements, and then it's going to basically just research all this stuff for me. All right, so here we go. Here's the breakdown, current market value. And then it basically broke down the platform comparison. So platform, this one is specialized Facebook groups, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. I didn't even know Craigslist was still a thing. OfferUp, eBay, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace shipping, and then general industrial equipment marketplace. So basically it has the fees, the list at, shipping, packaging, estimated net, main risk, best method. So really cool. This is pretty awesome. Then local sale, eBay sale. So lots of really good information to figure out where to sell your stuff. Obviously, if you want to kind of see, depending on what vintage stuff you have or what stuff you have in general, because obviously you don't have to sell this on Etsy. So yeah, I think this is a pretty cool prompt workflow that is definitely beneficial. So try it out. You can take a screenshot, use these prompts. But if you want additional really good prompts and workflows, hop over, join me in the Etsy games. Super fun place. I'd love to have you over there and work with you more to grow your business. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.